In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund money from Taobao. If your order hasn't arrived, came damaged, or simply isn't what you expected, I'll walk you through the exact flow to request your money back, from starting the refund to escalating a dispute when needed. Begin by going to Taobao.com and signing in to your account. From the homepage, open My Orders or My Taobao. This is where all your purchases live. Find the order you want to refund and open the order details page. It helps to glance at the order status so you know what options you're likely to see, and keep the order number handy for reference. On the order page, look for the button labeled Refund or Return and Refund. Choose Refund. Only if you didn't receive the item, or if you're keeping the product but want your money back. Choose Return and Refund when you need to send the item back to the seller. Pick the option that fits your situation to avoid delays. For example, don't choose Refund only if you know you must return the product. Next, select the reason for your refund. Common choices include item not delivered, product damaged, wrong item received, product not as described, and late shipping. Match the reason to what actually happened. Accuracy matters because it determines how the case is reviewed and what evidence is expected. Now upload proof to support your claim. Clear photos of any damage or incorrect items, short videos showing the issue in action, and screenshots of your order details or chat conversation all help. Make sure photos are well lit and include packaging, labels, and any serials if relevant. Strong, relevant evidence significantly increases your approval chances. Enter the refund details, specify the amount you're requesting, add a short explanation if prompted, and submit the request. Keep your explanation factual and concise. If the item never arrived, the amount is typically the full order total, including shipping. For partial issues, request a proportional amount. After submission, wait for the seller's response. They may accept the refund, offer a replacement, or propose a partial refund. Keep your messages polite, reply within the platform's timeframes, and keep all communication inside Taobao so it's recorded in the case. If a return is required, ship the product to the address shown in the case, use a trackable courier, and upload the tracking number. Pack securely, include all accessories, and then wait for the seller to confirm receipt. If the seller refuses or the case stalls, escalate the dispute from the same page. Taobao will review your evidence and chats and decide the outcome. Keep an eye on notifications and respond quickly to any requests. And that's the complete process to refund money from Taobao.